So we were just playing Sea of Thieves, our ship full to the brim of loot, waiting to go sell, and then out of nowhere, an enemy ship pulls up on us. Watch to see what happens. Oh shit, or them other people are pulling up on us right now. Oh, I'm not lying, the other people are pulling up on us right fucking now. They're like right next to us. By the way, there's water at the bottom of our ship, but it's not a hole. I've just cleaned that. They're like legit right on us. Yeah, they're fucking firing. Come in. Yeah, instantly just go straight to Reapers. Even if the ship, like, dies, if we get to Reapers, we can still take all the ship to Reapers, even if the ship's gone. Alright, someone check downstairs, make sure everything's good. I'm going to drive us straight to Reapers. Nah, they're still fighting us. I'm going to crash us dead into Reapers. Yeah, look out. Oh, that was a special fireball as well, so as long as I miss that one, we're all good. Oh, fuckers, they crashed. Nah, they're hopping on. They're hopping on our ship. Who the fuck do they think they are? Shit. Wait, second we get to Reapers, they're gonna probably hop on the island too. We just gotta fucking kill them. I'll take their ship and just fucking nick it. So by this point, we thought we were safe and in the clear as the other ship was far off in the distance. But little did we know, right when we were at Reaper's hideout where we sell everything we had on board, our ship was rapidly filling with water and it was about to sink. Alright, grab the moat. Alright, I'm gonna grab the most expensive thing and then sell that. Oh, the boat's gone. The boat's gone, I just heard the noise. Boat's gone. Grab whatever you can. Go under the boat, grab the Reaper's chest. I've got the Reaper's chest, grab everything you can and go. It was very clear at this point that the ship was too full of water and there was no way we could repair it. So I shouted to the crew to grab whatever you can so we can run to Reaper's and sell it as quickly as possible before the other ship came over and take everything. Oh, there's actually a little... Nah, that's actually class. There's a little fucking dinghy that I can take all the way to back to our boat and collect all our shit if I can get there before they do. Alright, if I drop this here, I'm going to use oars real quick. I'm going to take this to... I'm going to go collect whatever I can back from our boat. No way a fucking dinghy saves us. If this dinghy saves us, I swear, I'll never diss dinghies again. Fuck, I've anchored the dinghy. Shit, we gotta move this dinghy. Yes. Alright, we're gonna go back to where our ship just crashed. Get whatever else we can. And then really quickly sell it before them lot come. The dinghy's about to save our life. Fuck you know. Let me just check, where's our loot? Oh, it's all here. Fucking beautiful. Oh no, this is a cannon. That's not a fucking thing. Alright, grab whatever you can. Dive in the water right now. Grab whatever you can. This dinghy's actually just fucking saved us. Right, I've got a drunk effect. It's not going to be easy to get us on the boat. Come on. Almost there. Bro, I'm going to drown. Yes. We've actually just fucking been saved by a dinghy. Right, I'm taking us down Reapers. Fucking happy days. The dinghy's just done everything we needed. Yes, boys. Fucking beautiful. Look at that shit. The dinghy has fucking done it. And check the parking job on that as well. Boom. Right, now let's go. Let's put everything on land. In case the dinghy decides to fucking fling off. You know what? That chest can drown anyway. 10 grand! Fucking beautiful, boys. Alright, let's go sell all this.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.